Hi. Hey. Hello. It's here. Hi guys, it's me, Jess, and welcome to today's very special 100K video. As you guys can tell, we're in a little different of a camera shot today. That's because I'm celebrating a small little milestone that my channel has reached recently, and it's all thanks to you guys. My channel has recently hit 100,000 subscribers, and wow, what a number. How crazy is it to think that I have reached you guys all around the world. And so from the bottom of my heart, I want to say thank you all so very much for your kindness, your love, your support, for the comments and the messages that I constantly get from you all. I want to say thank you all very much, and I wouldn't be here reaching this milestone without you. Reading your comments and receiving the most incredible messages ever just makes my heart so warm. So I want to say thank you really from the bottom of my heart. I love sharing my passion with you all. So in celebration, I actually will be announcing a very awesome giveaway at the end of this video, so be sure to stick around to find out how you can enter to win. I actually haven't shown my face here on YouTube. We're gonna spend a little time together and I'll tell you guys a little bit about how I started YouTube and what drives me every day and motivates me to create. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Jessica, or you can call me Jess, and I'm an artist and illustrator who creates from life and simply captures the beauty of every moment. I really enjoy painting in oil, acrylic. I love using all mediums, and as you guys know from my videos, I love working in my sketchbook. I think that capturing the moment is one of the greatest things that you can do in your sketchbook, and you're also practicing your skills, so that is also what I go by all the time. I think that everybody has the ability and the drive to create, and I think that sharing my world with you guys, I hope to inspire you and motivate you to create and just take your everyday life situations or surroundings and turn them into art. So I have started YouTube about a few years ago in 2014, 2015. But I was posting on and off. It was just something that I recorded my time-lapse drawings and shared with you guys. But recently, about a few months ago, about 4 months ago, I started to post consistently, and I shared a sketchbook tour with you guys that completely blew up, which you guys all love the sketchbook tours. So I want to say thank you all for watching my videos and supporting my passion and my love for art. I absolutely love sharing my creativity, my art, and just simply my passion with you all. And the fact that I can be doing this every single day and sharing it with the world means the world to me. So I know you guys are waiting for this video for quite some time, but I was also waiting on YouTube to finally send me the silver play button that I received in the mail finally, and I want to share with you guys what it looks like. So it's all thanks to you guys once again, and I have it right over here on this table, so let's take a look at it. Check it out, it's so beautiful. So I'm actually getting a custom frame for it right now to hang up in my studio, and then I'll be able to do a studio tour for you guys very soon. So unboxing the YouTube play button was pretty cool, and seeing your name engraved in the play button is even cooler. So again, thank you all so much. This is an awesome little milestone for the channel, and I couldn't do it without you all. YouTube also sends a nice little note, and it's very sweet to read, and it was a very emotional time unboxing the play button. Alright guys, so before I announce the giveaway, I want to tell you guys about Patreon, which I will be launching next week on my birthday. And by the way, if your birthday is in October, happy birthday, October babies. And I wanted to let you know that I will be actually launching Patreon because I want to gain a little bit of a closer relationship with you guys and start a little art community where we'll do art challenges. We'll also do live videos. I'll do some art classes and tutorials for you guys if you really want to know some more in-depth techniques. So I think that'll be great if you want a little bit more extra content, but I will be posting on YouTube, so don't worry, I will still be here. So once again, Patreon will be launching next week on my birthday, which is October 21st. And without further ado, let's jump into that giveaway. Please listen closely, guys, and read all of the directions before you enter to win. So I will be giving out 3 prizes to 3 lucky winners. This is open internationally, so everybody is welcome to enter. I will be giving out 2 prizes on YouTube and 1 prize on Instagram. And just a little note, guys, please make sure you're 18 years of age or older, or that you have parental permission, because I will need your shipping address when I will be shipping you guys the awesome gifts. The winners will be selected at random, and so let's go over the rules for the giveaway. The rules themselves are simple. I will be doing one on YouTube and on Instagram, so feel free to enter both. And the first rule for both of these is to be subscribed to my channel and to be following me on Instagram. To be considered for the YouTube giveaway, also like this 100K giveaway video and comment below what is your favorite video from my channel and why. And to be considered for the Instagram giveaway, head over to my page, like the giveaway post, and tag 3 friends in the comments, and as a bonus, share it to your story. And that's it, guys, for the rules. The giveaway will close on November 6, 2020 at 12 p.m. Eastern Time, and the winners will be chosen at random. And if you are chosen, you have 48 hours to respond. And now let's talk about the prizes that you are able to win. I have put together 3 very special sets of prizes to all the winners of the giveaway. That's right, each prize is gonna have a set of items inside of their gift. I thought of putting together a nice little package, so each prize will include 4 awesome items, including art supplies and prints and stickers. So let's take a closer look at what each prize will actually include. First, I will gift you a brand new Stillman & Burns sketchbook with a personal note from me. I chose these sketchbooks because these are the ones that I personally love to use the most, since they hold up all the mixed media that I enjoy using. And you guys have seen these sketchbook tours, the Italy sketchbook tour, which I have took all my watercolors and did the paintings on the go. It holds an incredible amount of water, so I think you guys will love these sketchbooks, and I wanted to include it in the giveaway for you all. The next item in the giveaway set is a Blackwing Palomino pencil Pearl, and you guys know I love these high-end pencils. Each winner will also have a sticker set in their prize package, as well as an art print from me. Each winner will receive a mix and match set of these, and I'm really excited to get it out to you all. So the prizes that I chose to give out to you all are really ones that I feel super awesome about. I think they're my favorite art supplies, and I think you all will enjoy it. So I thought about how to make the giveaway as special as possible, and I hope you guys are as excited as I am. So be sure to check out the description for all the information on how you can enter, and as well as the deadline. I hope you guys are having an awesome day, and thank you all for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on content every single week, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye! Just kidding, we're not going yet because someone just came to say hi. Who's there? Who's hiding? Alright guys, so like this video and share it with your friends, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!